Hi, what if I told you that you could create this painting on your iPad right now? For years, I used to lead those in-person painting events where we all had our drink of choice and we completed a pretty acrylic painting in just a couple of hours in a really low pressure setting with friends. But I thought, why not try this digitally and allow people to join me at any time, move at any pace, and create a really pretty painting on their iPad. So I hope you'll join me for a fun night in, or any time of day of course, with your drink of choice. I'll be drinking a homemade chai latte. And let's playfully throw some paint on a digital canvas and create something pretty simply because it makes us happy, brings us joy. Today we'll be creating a beautiful moonscape painting with a little cabin and some rolling hills, all on our iPad. You can follow along exactly and do exactly as I do, or feel free to throw in a little bit of your own flair into this painting and make it yours. Hey there, I'm Melanie. I'm a professional artist and educator. I love creating happy, whimsical art for picture books, coloring books, surface pattern design, and these classes. Follow me on Instagram for almost daily doses of happy art, and don't forget to follow me here on Skillshare as well by hitting that green follow button up above. That way you'll never miss an announcement about a new fun class. Okay, so if you're ready, grab your iPad and your Apple Pencil and let's start painting.